right, welcome guys. It's Dreaded Crypto Maniac coming at you. Was it December 3rd, 2021? All right, so it's been a hot minute. I understand. I apologize, but just haven't had much time, and I've been working a job and trying to keep up with my crypto portfolio. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick, you know, I guess sort of a touch base and kind of reassure everybody what's going on. This dump today threw a lot of people off, threw me off. I can't believe it happened. There's a lot of fear, um, very heavy fear. The fear and greed index hasn't posted yet today, but it was at 31 or 32 yesterday, which is already fearful. So we're definitely roaming in the 20s today. I think a lot of it has something to do with the president. What he said wasn't very reassuring. The markets are correcting really hard. They're kind of breaking trend lines, talking about the traditional markets. Um, Crypto market actually still looks pretty good. So like, just gotta look at this thing from a regional perspective here. So we bounced off beautifully off the 21-week moving average. I'm gonna like zoom in here. Actually, we might have dipped down right below it just a tad. Where is it? Get a little closer. We wicked below it, but that happens in the bull markets. The biggest key is we want to close above it. And honestly, if we stay above this Fibonacci extension, which is about 51.2, 51.3, that would be a good thing, a good sign. But yeah, this market's just acting different, slower. I was really thinking about probably starting to exit towards Christmas time, which I may take a little bit of profits by then. But I think we're still going to move probably to Q1 next year. January, February, maybe March. Lengthening cycles, I suppose. There's just a lot of things that happen this cycle that didn't happen before. It's been a volatile run. But Bitcoin still looks good as long as we stay above the 53.2, 51, 52 for sure. If we go below that, I mean, 47, 46 could happen into these fib levels, but we really don't want that to happen. But really, ultimately, this is going to create a giant, ascending triangle type of thing. Unfortunately, we broke above this, and then, we broke down, and hopefully we just bounce above it again. So, if you want to be real bearish, we break below this level, the 46, the target for this wedge brings us down to 21, 22. Okay, that would be a pretty bearish outlook, but hey, anything could happen. A lot of it depends on the stock markets and the NASDAQ, which is the tech stocks, and if those crash, the speculative assets like blockchain and Bitcoin also crash. Though Bitcoin is becoming more like a commodity, kind of like gold and silver rallied today supposedly, but well, I don't supposedly, I haven't really looked. I just remember them people talking about it. Let's see, gold. Where is it? Yeah, silver did rally up today. A lot of times that stuff will fall too because people are trying to take their positions out to like cover their equity position. So, I mean, I bet gold and silver may rally really hard next week. There's probably going to be a little bit of an uncertainty period. Maybe the markets bounce back, come back, But yeah, so stock market's looking shaky, so Bitcoin's looking shaky. But hopefully that works itself out. Let's look at the total market cap. That also will give us some a little bit of clarification as to what's going on. Let's find this thing, total. And I imagine, yeah, see, we bounced off the 21-week moving average on the total market cap, just retesting this previous resistance and support. We don't want to keep testing it, but if we get a nice bounce up here, 4 trillion, 5 trillion total market cap, I think I actually already marked what the target would be. Let's see. It's a very rudimentary. Had a couple different lines. Yeah, so 3.76, 4 trillion. I think 5 trillion is certainly in the cards. I mean, we could go to 10, right? just we'll have to see. I just feel like we still got ways to run. The bull market's not over. I mean, if Bitcoin drops below like that 46K heavily, and then this falls through, I mean that means stock markets, everything is just going to complete hell. So anything could happen, but at the very least we'll get a bounce. I'm not too worried about it, but just trying to reassure everybody. It's probably a decent dip buying opportunity. So anyways, that's all I have. Just wanted to check in. Next year I'm hoping to do this a little bit more full time, and yeah, we'll see and go from there. Peace out.